دوعا گۆرانە پۆلی یەکەمی بنەڕەتیم لە قوتابخانەی کلێڤەری ناحکومی دەخوێنم. هەموو بەیانیەک لەلایەن مامۆستاکانم پێشوازیم لێ دەکرێت و ڕۆژێکی نوێ لەگەڵ هاوڕێکانم دەست پێ دەکەین. وانەی ئینگلیزیم زۆر خۆش دەوێ و زۆر حەز بە زمانی ئینگلیزی دەکەم.
I'm a student at a clever school. I'm a grade 1 in the purpose of learning and of communication in foreign language. Besides all mother tongue here, I can learn how to write and read English alphabetical letters.
I'm in grade 1 to build a healthy body and learning different kinds of sports also enlarges my ability, inner peace, physical education, not forget.
1 plus 1. Very good. 2 plus 2. Thank you. Very good.
The ways of learning has been shortening. My goal is that to learn more education, learn new digits and roots in math. At science, I get information about animals and plants, also science. We'll see many scientific places and I do my experiments there. I'm in grade 1. Art is a dance, has no border. I love artists very much. Here I realize that those dreams and desires I have become true of learning music, drawing, handcraft and play. When you find sickness, we'll go to the doctor to take care of us as soon as we are healthy again.
At school, I remove my sadness and share my happiness. My teachers always ask our opinions and take our opinions too. I love my friends. Together we have delicious and healthy food here. من کلێڤەرم هەڵبژار تاوەکو ئاسیزانستم بەرز بێتەوە و فێری زمانی ئینگلیزی ببم.
کتابخانە ماڵمانە